I hope all of you completed the table 1 in page number 50 and table 2 in page number 52. In table 2, I told you all do the electronic configuration of 18 elements only. Potassium and calcium, we will do it later. Today, we are going to study the electronic configuration of potassium and calcium. In the textbook, page number 52, in table 2, the electronic configuration of potassium and calcium are given as follows. Potassium atomic number 19. Therefore, the electronic configuration 2, 8, 8, 1. Total 19. Calcium atomic number 20. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 8, 2. That is 20. According to the 2n squared rule, the maximum number of electrons in each shell K is 2, L is 8, M is 18 and N is equal to 32. Now this is M. Students have a doubt that M can occupy 18 electron. That is according to the 2n squared rule. But why? Instead of, then according to that we can put 9 electron here and we can put 10 electron here. That's all, the problem is solved. Instead of that, why it is putting 8 here, then taking that balance 1 electron and putting it in N. Similarly, here instead of putting 10, which is wrong, putting 8 and the balance electron is putting here in the N shell. It's a doubt regarding this electronic configuration. That is why I told you there is no need, you don't do it now. The reason is that it can be explained only when near the higher level. That means actually you are going to study this about in 11th standard. There is a rule called Aufbay rule. You just write this rule in your notebook. You don't have to go into details because you may not be able to understand at this level. According to the Aufbay principle, for potassium, the maximum electron you can put in the M shell is only 8. Therefore, the balance is put in the nth shell. That is the answer. You learn like that. And when you come to the higher classes, when you learn this Aufbay principle, you will clearly understand why this 1 electron is here. Similarly, calcium 20. The maximum electron in M, even though the rule says that it is 18, we can put only 8. And the balance 2 electron is put it in N. And a simple explanation is given in your textbook. The maximum number, that is outer shell maximum electron only. That is the reason given. But this is not outer shell. Therefore, again you may have the doubt. Outer shell 8 electron, that comes in another section of electrovalent compounds, covalent compounds. In that we can apply this rule. But this also will not give you a satisfactory reply for this electronic configuration. Therefore, now you write it in your notebook. By Aufbay principle, the electronic configuration and potassium and calcium, there is a change. That change is that instead of putting 9, if you put 9 it is wrong. And if you put 10 it is wrong. And you put the electron in the M shell 8 and N shell 1 for potassium, and for calcium 8 in the M shell and 2 in the N shell. Study this and now you complete the page number 52. All the 20 elements electronic configuration. If you completed this electronic configuration only, we can proceed to another table in page number 58 that same elements electronic configuration.